If you regularly use Google Chrome, they just came out with a critical software security update. I'm going to walk you through everything there is to know about that update and the best way that you can go through and update it so that you get that security update. So on here, just a quick refresh. Google Chrome 148 just came out and it fixes 79 vulnerabilities, including 14 critical security vulnerabilities within Google Chrome. So let's make sure that we've updated. The easiest way to be able to do that on your Android phone is to press and hold on the Chrome app and then tap on the eye at the top right. From here, scroll down and tap on Storage midway down. On here, you can see the app data, but also the data and the cache that is associated with it. We always want to clear out the data and cache when updating these apps. And to be able to do that, you just tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data and clear all data and then tap OK. After we've done that, tap the back arrow at the top left. And the easiest way to be able to do it in here is to tap the three dots at the top right, tap on Uninstall Update, and then tap on Uninstall Update. This will essentially uninstall all those updates, and then we're going to turn around and load up or install the newest version. So to be able to do that, we'll scroll down, tap on App Details in Store, and on here, just tap on Update. But after you've done that, you can tap on the three dots at the top right. And I would highly recommend toggling this Enable Auto Update button. If you haven't already, just toggle this on so that all of those critical security updates will be automatically installed onto your Android phone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.